Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi guys. For today we're going to take a look on the application of matrix. So remember, in linear system there are four methods that can be used, which is the first one is inverse of matrix. The second one is Gaussian elimination. The third one is Gauss-Jordan. The fourth one is Cramer's rule. Okay, so let's take a look on the first example. A company wants to make a gas mixture from all three gases above. They want is to have a total weight of 28 grams per mole and a total condensation point of 90 degrees Celsius. They only want to pay Rm 50 ringgit per mole of the new gas mixture. How much of each gas should be mixed together for a mixture that fits the requirements of the company using inverse of matrix? So since the question asks you to use inverse of matrix, so we're going to use inverse of matrix to solve this problem of gas mixture. Okay. So for the first step, in solving linear systems, remember, okay, you need to form into AX equal to B metric form. Okay, before we can form into this metric form, first from here, okay, form or create a linear equation based from the information given. So you need to understand the sentence of that they give it to you. Why? Because we want to write down a linear system for this problem. Okay. So for the first step, okay, linear system. Okay, we read it back. Company wants to make a gas mixture from all three gases above. Okay, they want it to have a total weight of 28 grams per mole and a total condensation point of 90 degrees Celsius. Okay, so from here, okay, the weight that they want is equal to 28. So means that 10x plus with 6y plus with 2z will be equal to 28. And then total condensation, this one, of negative 90 degrees Celsius. A total condensation means that total all of these will be equal to negative 90 degree. So negative 2x plus with 2y minus 3z should be equal to negative 90. Okay, and then they only want to pay Rm 50 ringgit per mole of the new gas mixture. Okay, how much of each gas should be mixed together for a mixture that fit the request of the company? Okay, this one, total, they only want to pay Rm 50 ringgit per mole of the new gas mixture. So, total all of these, it should be equal to Rm 50 ringgit. So, we will just declare or we just write down the value without the unit price. Okay, so it will be 1x should be equal to x plus with 5y, and then 1 plus with 1z, so we just write down as z, okay, equal to 50 ringgit. Okay, so from here, after you write down the linear system, then we can write down into the metric form, which is a x equal to b. Second step, ax equal to b. So from here, matrix A is equal to 10, 6, 2, negative 2, 2, negative 3, 1, 5, 1. Matrix X is equal to x, y, and z. B is equal to 28, negative 19, and 15. Okay. Then for this one, so for matrix A, x equal to B, so it will be pieces to B be equal to 10, 6, 2, negative 2, 2, negative 3, 1, 5, 1, x, y, and z, 28, negative 19, 15. Okay. Then we proceed to the next one, next step, which is, since the question asks you to solve by using inverse of matrices, so the first step for the inverse part, it will be the third. For this case, it will be the third step. Okay, we will find inverse of matrix A. But before we can find inverse of matrix A, first we need to find minor and cofactor. A. So for this one, I just write down as okay. As we know, M11 will be equal to, this one will be M11, M12, M13, M21, M31, M22, M23, M32, M33. Okay, so for this one, M11 will be equal to 2, negative 3, and 5, 1. M12 will be equal to 1, 2, negative 2, 1, negative 3, 1. And then this one, 3, negative 2, 2, 1, 5. Okay. And then the second one, we want to find for M21. 2, 1, 6, 2, 5, 5, 1. Okay. And then 2, 2, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then 6, 1, 5. And then for M31, okay, 3, 1, 6, 2, 2, negative 3, and 3, 2, it will be 3, 2, then negative 2, 2, negative 3, and 3, 3, then 6, 1, 5. Okay. Okay. We try to solve this one, and then oh, sorry about that one. I don't know why what happened again. So it will be for this one. This is a minor. Okay. A. 2 minus with 1, and then negative minus with 15, minus with 15, so it will be 70. And then negative 2 minus 3, so it will be 1. And then we have another minor. Negative 10 minus with 2, you have negative 12. And then 6 minus with 10 will be equal to negative 4. Negative 80 minus 4 will be equal to negative 22. 10 minus with 2 will be equal to 8. This one. Negative 30 minus minus 4 will be equal to negative 26. And then we have this one, 50 minus with 6, we get 44. Then we have 50 minus with 6. Oh, sorry about that one. 3, 3, that one should be, okay, this one, it should be 3, 3, so it should be 10, 6, negative 2, and 2. Okay, so some correction on that part. Okay, so it will be 20 minus with 12, so it will be 32. Okay. And then this is our minor, so we need to find the cofactor. So to find the cofactor, fourth step, we should say as the fourth step. Okay, minor of A, and then we try to find the cofactor of A, matrix A. So the cofactor, it will be, okay, I will use the formula which is plus minus plus minus plus minus. So it will be 17, 1, negative 12, negative 4, 8, 44, negative 22, negative 26, 32. So using that one, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So as for these two, again this one, so we will write it back as positive 17, negative 1, negative 12, negative negative positive 8, negative 44, negative 22, positive 26, 32. Okay, this is a cofactor. So okay, we will find, after cofactor, we will find the value of our determinant. Okay, determinant of A. As for this one, I will use expanding along, let's take a look. Since there is no zero, so maybe I will expand along the third row, because there is the element, value of element is quite small compared to the other element. So it will be 1, 5. Okay, right now is expanding along third row. So we have 1, 8, 3, 1, C 3, 1 plus V 8, 3, 2, C 3, 2 plus V 8, 3, 3, C 3, 3. So it will be A 3, 1 is 1, and cofactor is negative 22 plus with A 3, 2, which is 5, and C 3, 2 is 26, plus with A 3, 3 is 1 times with 32. And by using your calculator, we will get the value, which is negative 22, and then plus 26, 30, 100, and 30, plus with 32. Okay, so this one 162 minus with 22, so 140. 140. And if you notice that we haven't find the value of adjoint yet, right? So we need to find the value of adjoint, adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactor, which is 70, negative 1, negative 12, 4, negative 22, 8, 26, negative 44, 32, inverse of this one, not inverse, but transpose of this cofactor, you will get 70, negative 1, negative 12, 4, 8, negative 44, negative 22, 26, 32. So this is adjoint. Since we already have the adjoint value, so we can find the inverse of matrix A. So inverse of matrix A is equal to 1 over determinant of A times with adjoint A. So 1 over 140 multiply with adjoint 70 for negative 22, negative 1, negative 12, 8, negative 44, 26, 32. Oh, you need to use your calculator for this one. Okay. 2. So try to use the calculator to get the value. By using your calculator, so you will get this value, which is this value. Okay. And then remember this one we try to find inverse of A. So we proceed finding the x value, which is at the step 8. Okay. X, y, z is equal to the letter x, y, z is equal to inverse of A multiplied with matrix B. So we have right now inverse of A 70 over 140, negative 1 over 140, negative 3 over 35, okay, and then 1 over 35, 2 over 35, negative 11 over 35, negative 11 over 70, 13 over 70, 8 over 35. And then multiply with matrix B, which is equal to, okay, let's take a look at our matrix B, 28, negative 90, and 50. Okay, then as usual, to get this value, multiplication between 3 by 3 matrices with 3 by 1 matrices. By using your calculator, so add all of this value, okay, and then the first one you get 1 over 2, and then the second one it will be 3 over 2, and then the last one it will be negative 12 over 5 plus with 209 over 35 plus with 24 over 7, so it will be 7. So this is the final answer for this question, which is, you can change it into decimal places. It's also okay. It will be for, x is equal to, therefore, x is equal to 1 over 2 or 0.5, and then y is equal to 3 over 2 or 1.5, and then z is equal to 7. Then we finish for this one. Okay.